guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, for today's video, we are going to feature Bilena. So, nag-send yung Bilena ng PR kit and it has a lot of good stuff. Like, meron akong 5 lip and cheek tint. I think it's going to be for another video. Feeling ko naman marami na kayo nakita na ganito. So, I think i-feature ko na siya sa Instagram or I'm gonna be using it, you know, sa mga susunod na makeup videos ko. And then, I have here the EB Matte Long Lasting Dip Liner. And then, this is what I'm excited about. Bilena, the chocolate palette. And I really love the packaging. It looks so sleek. So, it looks like this. Plastic casing, but it looks nice. It looks sleek. And when you open it, ito yung mga colors and it has a really, really big mirror. So, ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung mismong palette up close. I say my review or final thoughts dun sa palette, gumawa muna tayo ng mga makeup looks. So, I will try to create 3 makeup looks using this palette. I hope makagawa ako ng tatlo because the color selection is... So, I'm going to use the Caroline Brightening Stick. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito. And that will serve as my eyeshadow primer. So first color, let's go for a simple one. So I'm going to get this color right here. So marami siyang fallout. Pero ako kasi since lagi kong inuuna yung eyeshadow ko before my foundation, fallout doesn't really bother me as long as maganda yung performance niya. Okay, yung mismong performance niya. Hindi ako masyadong judgmental sa mga fallouticals. Oh.
Consequences of your greed, following a road that's paved with shiny gold, leaving all of us behind, leftovers. You see enemies at every turn. So long as you're winning, you let the whole world burn. Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? I'm tired of your righteousness aimed at me. So bored by your delirious fantasies. You see enemies at every turn. So long.
So So this is the first look that I was able to create. Ito na siguro yung consider ko na pang everyday look, you know, office, pang date. This is probably the simplest look you can do. No, actually no. Simplest look is you can just use one eyeshadow and then eyeliner, then you're done. Siguro ito one notch higher than a simple look. But yeah, this is like enough for everyday wear. Let's proceed to the second look, shall we? Oh my god guys, you're not gonna believe this, but it's been an hour after my first look. Nan kong ginawa sa baba.
I'm tired of the cynical life you lead. So tired of the consequences of your greed. Following a road that's paved with shiny gold, leaving all of us behind, leftovers. You see enemies at every turn. So long as you're winning, you let the whole world burn. Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? I'm tired of your righteousness aimed at me. So bored by your delirious fantasies. You see enemies at every turn. So long as you're winning, you'd let the whole world burn. Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? You don't wanna play it clean. Well, that's no fun. Darling, don't hold your breath. I'll be gone. Colors on my I'm tired of the cynical life you lead. So tired of the consequences of your greed. Following a road that's paved with shiny gold, leaving all of us behind, leftovers. You see enemies at every turn. So long as you're winning, you let the whole world burn. Get out of my head. How did you get there? Get out of my head. How did you get there? I'm tired of your righteousness aimed at me. So
guys, so this is the last look that I was able to come up with. So, oras na para sabihin ko sa inyo ano pong masasabi ko sa palette na to. Okay, umpisahan natin sa packaging. I like the packaging kahit na plastic siya. And I love that it has like a really big mirror. Kaya alam mo yun, on the go siya. Ito na yung gagamitin mo and all that. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free, so that's good. Now, formula-wise, meron siyang pros and meron cons. Very pigmented siya and it's creamy. But the con is, ang dami niyang fallout. Super. As in, like, kung gagamit kayo nito, guys, kailangan unahin niyo muna yung eyeshadow nyo bago kayo mag-foundation. O di naman kaya, kung nakalagay na kayo na foundation, maglagay kayo ng, alam mo yun, maraming powder, maraming setting powder muna dito, loose setting powder, para sumalo ng mga fallout. Ang problema is the color selection. Jesus. Honestly, yung mga colors dito, magkakaiba. But the thing is, yung difference nila sa isa't isa is like 0.5, not even 1. Sobrang close to the point na itong color na to, lagyan ko lang ng 2 layers, kamukha na siya nito, o nito, o nito. So, kung manunod man yung Ever Bilena, I love the palette. I can use this for everyday wear. Pero sana, layuan nyo naman yung difference ng mga color. Kasi sayang yung, alam mo yun, variety of colors that you can put with the theme na chocolate. Tapos sana may name, o di naman kaya may numbers yung bawat eyeshadow. Para alam mo yun, kung kaming mga beauty vlogger gagawa ng tutorial, masasabi namin ano yung number or ano yung color. And then kahit hindi mga YouTuber, yung mga simpleng tao lang, I mean, malalaman na nila, oh, my favorite color is number 1, 2, 3, ganyan-ganyan, or yung name ng color. Pero sa pigmentation niya, wala talaga akong masasabi. I like the pigmentation. Yun talaga, yung shade range, and then yung fallout. The price range, it's 220 pesos. I think sulit na siya. I would definitely buy this for 220 pesos. Pero yun lang talaga, yung shade range. Kasi ang hirap gumawa ng maraming looks kapag ka, alam mo yun, magkakamukha. Kanina habang gumagawa ako ng 3 looks, parang naisip ko, medyo kumukha nito yung isang color, medyo kumukha niyan. But you know, I just tried my best to use almost all the colors. So would I recommend this? Yeah, definitely, kasi mura lang siya, 220. And then kung naghahanap ka ng eyeshadow na, alam mo yun, magagamit mo for everyday, and then may malaki pang mirror, yeah, I would definitely recommend this. But, you know, to the Ever Bilena team, we can do this. We can do better. What else? So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana nabigyan ko kayo ng ideas. And sana matutulungan kayo mag-decide if bet nyo to or not. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!